Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, this time I'm gonna go where my comfort zone is. I'm gonna do something very big. I'm gonna do a big canvas. I think it's almost 48 inches by, no, not 48, 36 inches. Well, I'm gonna tell you in the comment below. Whatever, it's quite a big canvas, and we're gonna do well, let's say 3 Philip cup and 1 fluid pouring. I'm going to use a lot of silicone because this time I want to make some cells out of it, and I think it's going to look great. We did it before, but it's always interesting to do a big one. So I think it's been a while since I did something very big. So I think it's going to be, like I said, very interesting. So I'm going to mix a lot of colors. You're going to say, I think it's going to be, again, very interesting. So let's go and take a look and come back at the end. We're going to talk about it. Okay guys, so I think the result is great. As a matter of fact, I think it's one of the best we ever did. Of course, I guess you have noticed that I did recycle an old canvas. It was a problem at the same time because the canvas by itself was a bit loose. And of course, my table is not level. So the acrylic had a tendency to go only on one corner. That's why, as you have also noticed, that I did work with it a bit so that I would have kind of a work that I would like. It's kind of interesting, and I think just because of the fact that my table is not level and the canvas was kind of loose, I think it gives it another life of its own. I think it's very nice. I think we couldn't achieve this kind of work if the canvas would have been tight and of course the table would have been level. I think just because of it, it does more of a lot of details where the acrylic went all in one place, but still we did work with it, and I think the result is great. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you're going to try it. Of course, when you use this kind of a big canvas, it's always a problem because you have to have the place and it's quite messy, but still it's kind of nice. I think it's a lot nicer than a lot of the painting we did recently. So again, I hope you like it. Thanks for coming and see us, and hope you're going to come back and see us again. And like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care, guys.